I'm Walter Hauser, Chef Walter Hauser. Of course, you guys know me from the Best Health program. We appreciate them allowing us this opportunity to bring you guys food from our kitchen. We came together, wanted to give you guys an excellent dish, something you can rock out with the family, something that will be healthy, as you know, and vegan, of course, as you know. Where we coming from. Just to piggyback off of Chef Najai, it's very important when you're using anything with protein that your boards are switched. In the time right now with COVID-19, cross-contamination, we don't want to deal with any of that. It's important to note that right now we are using everything that we're using is plant-based ingredients. So it's not imperative that we change our board per se. However, if you're switching out anything on this recipe, just be mindful of that. So, Chef Najai and I thought it would be pretty cool to rock you guys out, something that everybody loves. Even though it's not Tuesday, we want to talk about Taco Tuesday or anything tacos. So what we decided to do is to bring the tacos to you in a more healthy form. And we're going to take away the chips and we're going to add baked potatoes. So we're going to do a stuffed baked potato taco, kind of Southwestern style. So what we have here is our plant-based meat. We have here are all of our seasons, of course. You have to have your salt, your cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and that's the combo right there. We're just gonna mix that around, get that good and savory. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. Woo! Oh, this is gonna be delicious. All right, just mix that around pretty well. Now, if you want to, you can substitute the plant-based ground for mushrooms. If you want to use, ground turkey, whatever you want to use as far as your protein, you're more than welcome to do. However, Chef Najai and I are doing a totally vegan meal for you guys. So we're going to talk about some of the things that we're going to stuff inside of our sweet potato, and then we'll get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we got some fresh tomatoes here. Chef Najai prepped up for us. We also have a plant-based sour cream here. Try to opt out for anything that is coconut oil based. Some of those are soy based. I know the coconut oil based ones are a little bit pricier, but stay away from soy as much as you can. We have corn here. This is just some corn that we had, and it is frozen corn. Fresh corn isn't in season right now. However, if you want to step this up a notch, you can roast this. All you have to do is just stick it in your pan for about 4 or 5 minutes, saute it up. It'll have that roast taste on there. We also have some black beans, organic canned black beans that we've had here and we rinse. This fresh cilantro is going on. You cannot have tacos without fresh cilantro. And finally, our pico. So Chef Najai and I have put together just a little pico since we already had tomatoes here. Everybody pretty much has onions in their home. We just went ahead and added that to that so we can have a fresh pico to put on top of our taco, so to speak. So if you guys are ready, we can go ahead and build this thing up nicely real now. So what I have here is a sweet potato. You can throw these in the oven for, I don't know, maybe 45 minutes to an hour, or you can take a shortcut, microwave it, then throw it in the oven if you want that roast taste. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna split this baby in half, just like this. That hole. All right, so let's build it up. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add our plant-based meat to our sweet potato. I don't have to tell you guys how good sweet potatoes are for you. And this is gonna be beautiful and lovely. All right, now that you have that there, let's go ahead and drop some of that corn. Ideally roasted. Now our black beans. Oh, let's throw that black beans on there. Let's just let it fall down in there. Pile it up. Remember, this is your healthy alternative. You don't have to be shy. Next, let's go with the tomatoes. Just a tad, because we have pico. We just want to add a few of these on here. All right. Let's mix up our pico that we've already made. We've already had prepped up. We're going to dollop this right on top. You can see how pretty this thing is looking. All right. Let's add that sour cream right on top. Few sprigs of our cilantro. Just go ahead and just throw just enough on there, just to taste. You already have cilantro, and if you love it, put it on. We already have cilantro in our pico. And finally, just for a garnish, if you're showing off for your family, just a few green onions on top. I hope you guys really like this meal. Chef Najah and I went back and forth about it. Came up with a good idea we thought would be popular, something you guys would love. Of course, you know, right down our alley of eating. And it's definitely healthy. And it's definitely filling. So we just want to thank you guys for allowing this opportunity for us to come together in this time that we have here with this pandemic, and really give you guys something that's going to be noteworthy in your home. Also, before I go, I'd just like to encourage you guys to really boost your immune system throughout the year. Immune system building is going to be beneficial for you come December, or even come during a pandemic like this. So we'll furthermore do some classes, more educate you guys on different things that you can do to boost your immune system. But we really hope you enjoy our stuffed sweet potato, a Taco Tuesday or a Taco Thursday. We really enjoy doing this for you guys. Thank you very much. Peace.